What's going on, everybody? So this video is going to be about online disputing and disputing via the mail, USPS. So a YouTuber made a video today and used checkers and chess. Obviously checkers was mail because disputing by mail is not as good, and then disputing online was basically chess. But the thing is, and I want you all to understand this, I can tell you whatever I want to on this camera. Anybody on YouTube can. So I'm going to make this simple for y'all. You can do this for yourself just to see. I don't have to tell you, I don't have to convince you. You don't have to listen to all these other YouTubers. When you go to dispute, and I'm going to use Experian for an example. When you go to dispute, it literally tells you all the rights you forfeit, including suing Experian. It's right there. I don't have to lie about it. I don't know why this other YouTuber, because I'm calling him a YouTuber because he's definitely not a credit repair expert. I don't care if you've been doing it for 20 years. You're not good at what you do. But also, when you dispute online with Experian, and I want y'all to try this, after you dispute that first round online with Experian, you can no longer dispute that account. In other words, if you dispute that account, and let's just say it comes back as verified, try to dispute it again. It's not going to let you dispute it again. That's another reason why it's not smart to dispute online. Another reason you don't want to dispute online, other than the fact that you can't sue, let's just say somebody tells you can sue. Let's just say a lawyer tells you, oh, I can sue for you. What exactly are you and this lawyer going to present to a judge? You did everything electronically. Where's your proof? If you mail it in via certified mail, you got the receipt, you got the proof that they received those letters, they refuse to do their job, they stall, they don't want to fix, update, delete, whatever. You've got proof. Plus, you can dispute as many accounts as you want to, and you got that paper trail, and you got the receipt with the tracking number proving that they received those letters and refused to do their job. Listen, I'm going to say this again. I can tell you what I want to on this camera, but I'm not the type of person just to tell you something or tell you what you want to hear. But some of these YouTubers, and the YouTuber that made the video about YouTubers, it's all just and I'm sorry I don't have a checkerboard behind me on a fancy whiteboard or anything like that. I wasn't going to waste my time with that because it's just stupid. It's just, trying to be fancy and trying to trick you. I'm not trying to trick anybody. I don't want to trick anybody. I've always said I'm here to teach y'all the facts and the truths about how credit repair actually works. I'm not just going to tell you what you want to hear. So, with that being said, disputing by mail is 100% better than disputing online. Because one, when you dispute online, you give up your rights, including your rights to sue. Two, you cannot do a lawsuit. Three, there's absolutely no paper trail. And four, you can't dispute online again with Experian. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.